natural cleaning hacks, easy tips with no chemicals required. Join me as I take on the challenge of cleaning my entire house using only natural hacks and zero chemicals. Today we're talking about natural cleaning hacks, and I'm super excited to share these easy tips with you that require zero chemicals. Going eco-friendly is all the rage, and for good reason. Not only is it better for the planet, but it's also better for our health and well-being. And honestly, who doesn't want to clean our home without the harsh chemicals? We've all been guilty of relying on those strong chemical cleaners at some point or another. They promise to get the job done quickly and efficiently, and they often do. But let's be real, they can also come with some nasty side effects. From irritating our skin and respiratory systems to harming our pets and the environment. The consequences of using chemical cleaners can be severe. And have you ever stopped to think about what happens when we rinse those chemicals down the drain? It's a vicious cycle, and one that we can easily break by making a few simple changes to our cleaning routine. Did you know that some chemical cleaners can even contribute to indoor air pollution, which can be up to 5 times worse than outdoor air pollution? And if you have kids or pets, you'll know that they're even more susceptible to the harmful effects of these chemicals. It's scary stuff, and it's time we take back control of our cleaning products. So what are some effective natural cleaning hacks that you can start using today? Well, one of my personal favorites is using vinegar as an all-purpose cleaner. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral, making it perfect for tackling everything from kitchen counters to bathroom sinks. And the best part? It's incredibly cheap and eco-friendly. Another game changer is baking soda. This stuff is like a miracle worker. From absorbing odors to scrubbing away tough stains, baking soda is a natural cleaner's best friend. And let's not forget about lemon juice. This citrus superstar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, making it perfect for tackling everything from garlic-scented hands to stinky drains. Let me share a quick story that really opened my eyes to the power of these natural cleaning solutions. A few months ago, my nephew had a big art project for school, and let's just say, he's as enthusiastic as he is messy. By the time he was done, my kitchen table was a disaster area, covered in paint, glue, and who knows what else. I was tempted to reach for the heavy-duty chemical spray under the sink, but then I remembered the baking soda and vinegar I'd stashed away. So I mixed a little vinegar with baking soda to make a paste, spread it over the stained area, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. When I came back and wiped it off, the table was not only clean, it looked as good as new. It was such a simple solution, and it worked wonders without any harsh chemicals. Plus, I didn't have to worry about my nephew being exposed to any toxic residues. It was a real aha moment for me. And since then, there's always been no looking back. So, are you ready to see one of these natural cleaning hacks in action? Today, I'm going to show you how to use a combination of baking soda and lemon juice to remove tough stains from your sink. It's a total game changer, and it's so easy to do. All you need is some baking soda, lemon juice, and a bit of elbow grease. Simply sprinkle some baking soda onto the stain, squeeze some lemon juice on top, and scrub away. The results are absolutely incredible. You'll be amazed at how easy this natural hack tackles even the toughest stains. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of natural cleaning hacks. I hope you picked up some useful tips and tricks to help you ditch those harsh chemicals for good. Remember, making the switch to eco-friendly cleaning products is all about taking small steps towards a bigger goal. And with these simple hacks, you can start making a difference today. Don't forget to share your own natural cleaning tips in the comments below. And if you want to see more eco-friendly content, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing plenty more natural hacks in the coming weeks. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.